So let's discuss that with Prathamesh Male, the Senior Research Analyst of Commodities and Currencies at Angel Broking. Kunal Shah, the Head of Research at Nirmal Bang Commodities, is also joining us. Thank you, gentlemen, for joining us here in ET Now. Kunal, I'll come to you first. It's official now. You've heard what the SEBI chairman had to say about how the commodity derivatives market is very, very crucial for SEBI. It's an important one, and we're going to see a lot of decisions being taken. For now, you've got an approval for COMEX option trading. Could this rewrite the commodity market?
Yes, it definitely is likely to play a major role going forward in price risk management in this entire market. The main purpose of this market was price risk management, hedging, and allowing options into this segment is definitely going to broaden the purview of the market. And this is something, you know, we have been waiting from years, and we are very glad that the SEBI chairman has done it, and we welcome this move. And I think this is definitely going to increase commodity market volume and help the entire eco chain of the commodity market going forward.
Okay, we're also being joined live right here on ET Now by MCX, Mrugank Paranjape, the MD and CEO of MCX. Thank you so much for joining us here. For you, it's a new chapter. You're going to be allowed COMEX options trading. What does this mean for MCX? What does this mean for the commodity markets?
I think it is one of the most awaited and very, very welcome development for the commodities market. As we have all been saying, commodities market needs growth in terms of its participation. It needs better products for risk management, and options are the perfect tool for that. So from that perspective, I think a very, very long felt need getting fulfilled now. We are very eager and absolutely ready. We will await, of course, the fine print, as SEBI chairman mentioned, to see what are the next steps to be followed. But from our perspective, a big plus point in terms of the growth of the commodity markets in India.
So once the fine print is out, once the final notification is out, how soon can, let's say, an MCX actually launch this new product?
So like we have mentioned even earlier, our readiness in terms of operations and technology is absolutely there. All that we would want to see is some of the details, so that we can really decide which product or which commodity itself we will choose when we go in for options. In terms of the other testing with members, training, etc., we have started training with members long time back. We will clearly need to do a lot more testing as the finer details of the product come out. But in our view, once everything from a regulatory perspective is cleared, it's probably a month or maybe 4 to 6 weeks that we would generally need to launch the product.
Okay, so 4 to 6 weeks time once the fine print and the final notification is out. Mr. Paranjape, the SEBI chairman, the new chairman, also spoke about how the commodity derivatives market is crucial for the regulator. We're going to see a lot of activity on that front. So if you could say these are the top 3 things that are needed to really open up the commodity markets, what would your wish list be? And have you submitted any such wish list to the new chairman?
So I think it's never a new wish list, which if I would say so. The dialogue with the regulator and with the entire market is a continuous process. But if you were to ask us, and of course we have had the opportunity to meet the chairman. He has taken our views. He has understood what we want. But if you just say what are the 3 big things we want, we have consistently maintained that this market needs 3 things. If I were to just say, it needs products. We've seen the beginning, and we hope that will expand more. We hope index and related products will come in. This market needs much more of participation, especially both in retail as well as in the institutional side. And for that, we are again looking forward to the regulatory changes to allow mutual funds, alternative investment funds, foreign portfolio investors, everybody on the institutional side as and when they can come in. And the last but not the least is the distribution. At the end of the day, India is a vast country, and the more we get distribution reach, the better it will be. So again, we would want to see the bank subsidiaries and banks themselves being able to participate in the distribution of derivatives of the commodities, so that market and that whole segment can come in, and we will see a big expansion of overall commodities market.
Well, the new SEBI chairman, Mr. Paranjpe, did begin his entire press conference by talking about the need to broaden the mutual fund market, increase the penetration, and so we're going to see a slew of decisions coming in that, especially in the demonetization era. It'll be interesting to see if the commodity markets is something they're going to open up to as well when we talk about mutual funds. Hang in with us. I'm just going to get a reaction from Prathamesh Amalia as well from Angel. Hi Prathamesh, so we've just heard these two gentlemen talk about how the commodity markets could be rewritten with this option trading. Would you agree, and can you explain to our viewers how this could actually reduce the risk?
It's an internationally acclaimed product which everybody knows. So this move by SEBI is a win-win situation for the entire industry, which involves right from the regulator to the exchanges to the actual broking industries are actually involved in it. So one thing that will surely do is it will increase volumes first. Hedging and the participation would definitely bring in more volumes, which in turn will bring in growth for the industry. And it's a superb move. It will be welcomed by the industry and the participants.
What do you make the timing of this move? We are also talking at a time when the equity markets are breaking all kinds of records, not just in India, but we saw similar records being broken on Wall Street. So could this help the commodity markets? Is the timing important as well?
Yes, the timing is very important. It has come at a time just 2 days away from Akshaya Tritiya. So in that sense, the industry has got its goal in terms of this particular reform. So I would say I'm gung-ho about this particular move, and this really would deepen the commodities market, just exactly like the equities are working and the options are working out there.
Mr. Paranjpe, would you agree with me? There was at a time when the equity markets are doing well, it was suddenly seeming like a far more attractive asset class. So do you think the sheer timing is very crucial as well, because you're seeing a revival of equities not just in India but worldwide?
So I must be very honest, in terms of really timing, in terms of asset classes, not my forte, and I don't think we would comment on that. But yes, in terms of timing from an overall perspective, absolutely needed for us to grow the commodities market. So that's where I would say the timing was perfect.
Kunal, let me bring you into this. You've heard one of the players, MCX, talking about how it could need 4 to 6 weeks time to bring about such products. We've also heard Prathamesh talk about how this is an internationally recognized product. Do you think this is exactly what was needed, maybe to deepen the commodity markets, to attract people, attract retail investors besides the institutional investors?
Exactly. I mean, if you look, the commodities market from last 10 years was just all about future contracts. So participants, may it be trader, may it be anyone who's dealing with it, there is nothing to hedge the risk. And with allowing options right now, it opens up the entire class who can hedge their risk. So along with the futures, options are must, and finally we got it. So this is a very welcome move, and I think the volumes are going to rise exponentially going forward due to this options allowance.
Mr. Paranjpe, I'm going to give you the final question. Like you said, it's all about the fine print. Do you think the market regulator will allow such kind of options trading across commodities? Is there any fear at all within the industry that maybe it's not going to open up all of the commodities to option trading? I think we lost our connection. Perils of live television. We seem to have lost our connection with Mr. Paranjape. Let me come to you then, Prathamesh. Is there any fear within the sector that maybe it's only going to be allowed for a few commodities, almost like a pilot project before it's opened up across the board?
I think it would be introduced for a couple of commodities and then it would be taken forward depending on how the participation is. But it would be internationally benchmark products. I think it would be gold or even crude or copper, which would be first introduced and then it would be taken to other commodities. But whatever it is, the reform is very welcome and it would really bring in commodities market with a lot of opportunities to come in.
Kunal, what about nickel, zinc, silver, etc.? Do you think that might not make it in the first phase?
Yeah, it may not make it in the first go, but eventually the success of the earlier products will definitely decide the roadmap for the entire, all the commodities which are trading on the exchange. So I think to start with, maybe 2 or 3 commodities, and then eventually all the commodities which are trading on the bourses will be definitely having options.
Okay, gentlemen, we're going to leave it at that. Thank you so much for taking the time out and decoding the SEBI's decision taken today as far as option trading in commodity markets go. It's being seen as a game changer, one that could rewrite the commodity markets, make it far more attractive, and of course reduce the risk. It's going to be hedged and weighted along with the international markets. With that, time for a short commercial break. We haven't taken it in a while. We'll be back in less than 2 minutes with all the news and updates.